If you work with Deutsch DT connectors every day, this is the kit that actually makes your job easier. The J-Ready DW5011 is a professional DT wiring kit designed for fleet maintenance, off-road build, and heavy equipment repair. You get an ACT HDT-16DT8 indent ratcheting crimp tool, matched with size 16 solid contacts for tight, high pull strength crimps on 1620 AWG No more guessing, no more loose terminals, and far less rework in the field. The kit includes IP68 sealed DT2, 3, 4, and 6-pin connectors, perfect for lights, sensors, ecos, and auxiliary circuits exposed to water, mud, and dust. If downtime is expensive and reliability matters more than saving a few dollars on tools, DW5011 is the Deutsch DT solution built for professionals, not hobbyists.